a dump!
Whoa, where are
We
we?
left the tropical island for this?
Aloha! Sounds like you guys aren't cocoa nuts about your situation.
Hey, I'm the only coconut, pal.
Clearly, I'm a banana.
And I'm a lime, you idiot.
No, I just meant that
What the heck is this goofball supposed to be anyway?
I'm not a goofball. I'm an orange.
Oh, sorry. What's this orange goofball supposed to be?
Hey,
Guys, I wouldn't make fun of Orange if I were you.
Why shouldn't we make fun of your friend?
Well, because...
He will mock you.
This guy? We ain't afraid of him.
He will mock you.
Whatever, bring it on.
Buddy, you're a coconut, you got a hairy butt. Hate to tell you that you're gonna be cracked someday. You got seeds in your face, you big disgust. I'm surprised anyone likes the way that you taste.
What's that supposed to mean? Ah! Ah!
He will mock you. Buddy, you're a line, you're real small time. You're gonna get caught up and squeezed someday. You'll see all sorts of strife for the rest of your life. Somebody should have warned you about life. He will mock you.
Whatever. He can't hurt me. Nothing rhymes with banana. Right?
Hey, buddy banana, you'll move to Havana. Live in a cabana for the rest of your days. You're gonna love that place. Have all sorts of space and nothing's gonna happen. You'll be totally safe.
Really?
nope, not really.
He will mock you. He will mock
Aloha! Who are you? I'd offer to shake, but I don't have any hands.
You know exactly who we are.
Yeah, I don't know. I eat a lot of food in the kitchen. It all blends together.
That's it. I can't take it anymore.
Don't worry. You won't have to.
Why's that?
Mouth. Jeez, those guys aren't very smoothie. Get it? Smoothie. You're not laughing.